So here's my Python code and the Python window, and here's the Arduino window. And we're going to go into terminal. We're going to go into my desktop first, and then we're going to go into my folder, which is called Python. Then we're going to run the code with Python 3 because that's the version I'm using right now. And Python 3 and the code is connect. The name of the code is connect for Python. And I'll let that run. And it's going to take some time to open. So it's going to open. And now, with my microcontroller, with the whiskers and the button, when you go left on the whisker, the piece will move left. And when you go right on the whisker, the piece will go right. And when you want to drop the piece, all you have to do is press this good old button. I'll press and then I'll go all the way down. And then to get another piece, you just start using the whiskers again. And you press to drop it. And you keep going. We'll keep going until we get a connect 4. Alright, so then we go all the way here. So this is the last piece. As you can see, it's right, left. And then it says player 1 wins because that's the red cross right there. And in 5 seconds then it closes. And that's my Connect 4 game.